Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be joining Barcelona Animal Save for a vigil outside of this chicken slaughterhouse. Hopefully we are able to liberate at least one individual. I know that the activists normally have really good luck. Either an employee will give them one or they will remove one from the truck. So let's see what happens. This is how detached the world is. There is a mass murder occurring inside of these buildings, and just a few feet away, people are playing a game. Okay, so it's now about 7:30. The place has been open for 30 minutes and we have not seen a truck yet. Apparently they utilize this time to turn on the machinery and then they will start processing. But we have a pretty large group here, which is awesome. Okay, so we've got the first truck of the night coming and you can see the activists are getting ready to bear witness. We've got the organizers over here who are going to be stopping the truck and the employees already disgruntled with the activists. So this is what the Save movement is about. It's about giving love to these individuals and bearing witness. So in just a few short moments, all of the individuals on this truck will be murdered for something as insignificant as a meal. This is completely unnecessary.
Estuviste de carnaval la última vez, ¿no? Estaba bien de carnaval,
So they've turned the lights off and they put a side partition up so that we cannot see what happens. And you know, that begs the question, if these people really think that what they're doing is moral and acceptable, why are they doing everything in their power to hide the truth from the consumer? You know, if they thought what they were doing was so right, why is it activists have to take these videos? So as most of you know, the entire point of these vigils is to bring light to what's normally been hidden. You know, this is a normal neighborhood. There's a school nearby. There's houses nearby, and a lot of people wouldn't drive past this and not even think twice as to what is behind these walls and what's occurring. And the activists are here because we're trying to document the animals before they go in, because there's such a disconnect with the individual and the food that is on your plate. Another crucial part of the vigils is to give these animals the only moment of love and compassion that they would ever feel in their entire lives.
Ten por cuenta, si yo en un parque de peatones, en una zona industrial, sí sencillo, sí que la culpa es mía. Le puedo decir, échate para allá. Estoy diciendo, échate para allá porque... Pero me dicen, no, tú tienes un paso de peatones.
Okay, so it looks like they were able to liberate 2 individuals.
Ya está. Uf, ya está. Nos tenemos que ir todos, lo he prometido, vamos todos.
Se está agobiando ponerlo en un coche porque...
¿Mi móvil?
Sí, dentro de él. Una caja, ¿no? Igual.
Hugo tiene algo.
So activists were able to negotiate the release of 2 individuals, which is absolutely phenomenal. You know, those chickens came on this truck terrified, and they would have been killed, and the only stipulation is that they want us to leave, which is completely fine. You know, 2 lives were completely changed today, and it's because of activists like this. You know, if people tell you that direct action doesn't work, please disregard them, because they're literally saving lives.